Hello, today we'll be comparing Moccamaster 53925 KBGV selecting cup coffee maker versus AMZCHEF Espresso machine with LCD display. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Type of coffee, AMS is better. Brewing capacity AMS better, programmability AMS better, brews range control AMS is better, iced coffee brewing style, hot coffee brewing Moccamaster is better, LCD display interface AMS is better, milk frothing AMS is better, water reservoir AMS is better, heating speed AMS is better, ease of use style, filter type Moccamaster is better, size and portability Moccamaster is better, cleaning Moccamaster is better, footprint design Moccamaster is better, build quality Moccamaster is better, special features AMS is better, price AMS is better, who is best for AMS is better, coffee quality Moccamaster is better, durability Moccamaster is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the AMZCHEF Espresso machine with LCD display. The link to buy it is in the video description.